I just installed a hard start capacitor on my RV AC unit. All I had to do is take the top off, take this side piece off. In here you got your run capacitor in there, and you also have another smaller device of some sort. I'm not too sure what it is, but on the run capacitor there's that red wire, and then you got that yellow wire, and that's where I connected the hard start capacitor. This is gonna help me, it's gonna store some power for when I'm on my generator. I can still use a microwave, or use some outlets and stuff without tripping the breaker or tripping the breaker on the generator. This will store power and discharge it to the AC unit when it starts. Literally, there's two wires that come out of the hard start capacitor. The label says that it doesn't matter which one you plug into, but upon doing some investigation online about it, one of the wires is connected to on the inside, on the top, it has a dual piece, so it connects two wires to one, comes out to the one wire, and that's the one you connect to the red. So if you see it right there, that's the one connected to the red. So in here there's lots of room. I just had to take off the strapping that was there. There was enough excess that I can just extend it, put the screw back, hold it in place. It's pretty light, so it's not like it's gonna fly around or anything, and it's held in place there pretty well. So see how this works. Should be good.